Rocket Lab has collapsed minus 10.79% to $102.39, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Sunday, June 14th, and this is your complete global market briefing. The bulls are firmly in the driving seat today across most major markets. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.50% at $7,431.46. Investor sentiment is being shaped by markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. NASDAQ 100 is trading higher by plus 0.64%. At $29,636. Equity markets are responding to reports that got $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they saw once again the motley fool. Dow Jones edged higher plus 0.70% to $51,202. Equity markets are responding to reports that inflation topped 4% in May as CPI surged to its highest level in more than 3 years, CBS News. DAX climbed plus 1.76% to $24,635. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 climbed plus 1.63% to $10,472. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow log gains with Fed meeting ahead, tech stock squared. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab plunged minus 10.79% to $102.39 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Rocket Lab deepens space defense role as investors weigh SpaceX IPO alternative, Simpliwalled St. Samsung surged plus 7.86% to $322,500 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. HSBC surged plus 3.86% to $1,372.80 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that assessing HSBC, LSE, SPA, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simpliwalled St. LVMH made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.53% to $510.60. Investor sentiment is being shaped by 4 takeaways from luxury's Q1 earnings, Vogue. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow log gains with Fed meeting ahead, tech stock squared. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that inflation topped 4% in May as CPI surged to its highest level in more than 3 years, CBS News. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $87.33 per barrel, down 3.37% on the session. The move follows reports that OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. WTI crude plunged to $84.88 per barrel, down 3.23% on the session. The move follows reports that OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Natural gas edged higher to $3.12, up 1.07% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold surged to $4,215 per troy ounce, up 3.05% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold extends losses to more than 3% after crucial inflation report, Yahoo, Finance Canada. Let us give you our near-term view on Rocket Lab. With the selling pressure we have seen today, The key support level for Rocket Lab is around $96.25. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.32% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.34% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.19, gaining 0.03% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Europe sells weapons, which are used to attack India, says Ian J. Shankar, calls out US's double standards on Russian oil purchase, Deccan Herald. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button, it genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments, are you bullish or bearish from here? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.